All right, I recently downloaded iOS 14, and it's got a very neat feature that wasn't available in the last iteration of their software development. So when you go open up your home screen, you're here. Down here is four little dots because I got four different screens with apps on them all, messed up. I'm going to click the last dot. It's going to bring me to the last screen. It's supposed to. All right, didn't do that, but now I'm on the last page. Now once I'm on the last page of the apps that I've loaded, I just swipe it over. And now it's going to give me my app library. And what you're going to see first is suggestions. And basically these are probably things you've been looking at a lot. Over here is recently added. That's stuff that you just put on there. I just put Rosetta Stone on. Underneath that you got social. So you see there's Snapchat, there's Facebook, Liker, Instagram, and Messenger, and my message app and my phone. Over here in creativity, I've got my camera, I've got my photos, I've got my Lightroom, I've got my Amazon photos and some other apps in there. And then over here you've got utilities, which are, your Apple Store, Find a Friend, stuff like that. Over here you got information and reading. Down here I got my banks, and here's my health. So that's this is entertainment. Here's productivity and finance. Here's shopping and food. Here's entertainment. Here's health and fitness. And then at the bottom you got education and other. And you also have travel, which I have. I can find electrical outlets for my electric car. So anyway, this is kind of a neat thing. So you can just go there, where all your apps are organized. Now the iPhone does it itself, so it's supposed to be intuitive, but it may get some of the apps in the wrong spots. All right, so anyway, using it is pretty simple. It's just like any other app that you would tap on. So let's say if I go to my photos, I could tap on that. It brings up the photos. If I want to get rid of it, I just slide it up like that. If I wanted to look at, Facebook, I go like that. It would pop up. Get rid of it, I go like that. Same thing for everything. I can do the news, comes up, get rid of it. But here's the interesting thing. If you just want to look at everything in this thing, you click the 4 and it pops it up. And there you are in creativity. If you want to get out of that, you just click there. So let's try again. Click this one. It brings up the 4 in social. You want to get out of it, you click there. If you want to look at these ones here, it brings them up there. And then if you want to get out of it, you click there. So it's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. Here's this one here. Finance and productivity. Look how many things I've got in there. I've got a lot in there. So you've got to open these up because it only shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but you could have many more. Let's look at this one. See, I've got 12 there, right? So you've got to open them up that way. Whoops. And if you want to look at the full library, because if I go here, check it out. It shows 1, 2, 3, and then 4 more, 7. But when I click on it, you can see I've got 5 by 4, 20 apps in there. So, it's got my contacts in there. It's got, notes. It's got all that stuff. So you've got to open them up to really look at them. And then click like that. And it pops back into that little thing. So this kind of hides them. Let's see what's in here. Yeah, you can see entertainment. They didn't really get it completely right because this is really education. And yeah, I guess the rest is pretty close. Let's see how they did with this. So this is productivity and finance. So they've got, that's my insurance, that's a cash app, that's my thing, that's a calendar, Google Calendar. Well, that's interesting. So this is Venmo, and if I hold it down, this pops up, and I can delete it, I can share the app, and I can check my account, and I can transfer to the bank really quickly. So it gives me like a quicker application, which is cool. Let's take a look at, so it kind of works the same way as the other, your other app applications. Let's see what I do on Notes, what happens. All right, so on Notes, if I hold it down, whoops, if you hold it down too long, you got to hold it, and then that pops up. Take your thumb off it. It says scan document, new photo, checklist, new note. Or I could delete the app, but I don't want to delete it. So let's go here. Let's see what it does for Drive. Drive comes up. Look at this. You can upload photos. There's a seminar coming up. I got minutes in there. I could share the app or I could delete it. Tap there, it goes away. So you're gonna have to play with this a little bit to really figure it all out. Let's see what happens when I hit this one and I hold down on it. It pops up search, redeem, updates, and purchase. Let me get out of that. So anyway, that's how you use it. And you've got to check. Now, there's only 3 in there because there's no 4 here. There's only 1 in there. There's 1 in there and there's 1 in there. So we got to figure a way that we can move some of these around. And I'm sure there is going to be a way to do that. Maybe I can do it online on the desktop. But that is your app library, and that's how to use it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.